It's Rainwater Wednesday. It is time to water my garden. This is your favorite day of the week and my least favorite day of the week. But who else is going to water the babies? Okay, so by the looks of it, we have a full rainwater barrel, literally to the brim, just like we like. Oh, it is a little dirty, but it's for the plants, so we don't care. We're good to go. I need to sew this. For me to buy a new one would be so ridiculous. All right, let's collect some rainwater. We love the pressure. We're overflowing. Water is crystal clear. The rag, barely dirty, just a couple little particles, nothing crazy. Okay, but we're good to go. So now let's go water some plants.